You are welcome to Safubafus TV, how to clean your car headlight cheaply, economically, budgetly, and your pocketly. All you would need is one big lemon, which cost me less than 0.50 centimo in this 21st century. But if you are watching me in 100th century or 150th century, then the price might have gone. And me too, I am gone because I am not Methuselah and I'm your great-great-grandfather. Baking soda is not only good for cooking your hard bones or baking bread, but it is also good for cleaning your headlights. The lemon was divided into two, one for each light. Dip the lemon into the baking soda, then clean it. When you clean it, leave it, don't wash it with water. Use the other part of the lemon and go and clean the other side. I cleaned the left side, now I'm cleaning the right side. After cleaning the right side, go back and clean the left side again. After cleaning the left side, then go back and clean the right side again. Please follow the description well. I am not a fake doctor. If you want to go to the destination, you need to follow the map. Commandment number 1. The lemon used for the left light shall not be used for the right light. Don't be stingy on the lemon. After cleaning each light 2 times without cleaning it, we are going to the next stage. We are going to use clean drinkable water to clean it. Now see the difference. The miracle has happened. A dreams come true make the heart cheerful. We become happy when our own productivity, when our own effort brings out success. The car may look small, but the engine is the most important thing. In everything, choose simplicity.